Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing those that have not created any course at all, or that don't know how to create course. This video will show you how to create a course. So I assume you've logged in into the Grenville e-learning system, and you have been taken to your dashboard like this. You're going to have your dashboard, you have your site home, you have calendar certificate, and most especially you have a site administration. So for you to create your course, you come through your site, through site administration as a teacher. Then what you need to do is to go to where you have courses, or you see from your end course and categories. Okay, then from course and categories you see manage courses and categories. Okay, so manage courses and categories. Then from here you have two parts. You have the category part, you have the course part. Okay, so you don't need to do this. This is for categories. The admins have taken care of this, because your course will either fall into any of these categories, either fall into social science and this. Do you understand? So for the courses, you can scroll down, you'll see a long list of courses that have been created by teachers. So if you are in doubt of how to create your own, you can click on any of these teachers course to see how they've actually done theirs. Let me click on geography year 3 for instance, to see what geography. Let me see. Okay, I clicked. Let me see. I clicked on it. Let me see. Okay, from here you can edit, though from your own end you won't see all these buttons to edit, because you can't delete any course that you did not create. It's only your own course you can create. Okay, so you won't see this delete button in someone else's course, and you can hide this thing from this course from displaying to the on the front page. You can move your course down, things like that, but you have no business with that. Just come to create new course. Can you see this button? You click on create new course. Then when you click on course, it brings you here. So on this part now, you're going to ask yourself, what's the full name of the course? Okay, I said this is a psychology. Okay, that's the full name. Then what's the short name? I said, okay, this is okay, PSY. Do you understand? So for now, for instance, teachers have been doing this because we have different section. We have primary, we have secondary. So if you don't differentiate, people won't understand. Okay, so I can just have something like, oh yeah, 11 for instance. Do you understand? Now under what category, or which category is this going to fall? This is going to fall under social science. Now course visibility, are you showing it or you want to hide it? Now one thing, most magic you guys should always take note, and you have to use at all time for you to really get a good grasp of this software, is wherever you see this question mark button, please tick it to get more information that no one will ever tell you. Okay, so you have this, you have this. What does this mean? Read it out yourself. Now do you want to show it? If you hide it, your course won't show on the front page. Maybe we should read this together. This setting determines whether the course appears in the list of courses. I just took you where I was coming from. Now you saw a long list of courses, right? Now appears in the list of course, and whether student can access it. So if it's hidden now, students won't be able to access this course at all. Okay, now I think you leave it on show. When is the course starting? So if you know that you don't want this course to start now, and it's going to start maybe next week, put date for next week there. Okay, let's say starting on the 30th or on the 1st of May. Okay, what time is it starting? The course would be open from 12 o'clock. Okay, is the course going to end? If the course is going to end, if you tick this and you pick a date, when this date reach, okay, when it gets to this date, students won't see the course anymore. Okay, they won't have access to the course again. So I advise you, don't enable it. Okay, then course this summary. Okay, you can give your course something nice for students to understand. This is a course that everybody will be happy Happy learning. Don't mind English. Okay, please be creative, put something nice there. Then course image, please always put an image for your course. Okay, it makes your course as the image you see. If you check other people's course, okay, you will see an image in front of there. Don't leave it by default. There's an image there, but it not let it depict your course. Okay, so I have to go online, look for anything that's to do with psychology. Put it here. So all you need to do is just click on this button, add. Okay, it takes you here. You click on browse, you choose, so you go to your desktop, you look for the image and you click on upload. Okay, so I don't want to waste time. Then your course format is very important. We have a long list of them. I won't tell you which one is good, but I will still tell you. Though I love Grid, I love Advisor, I love everything. Okay, so just pick and be free to try. If you choose Thai, it doesn't mean you can't change it again. When you see you don't like Thai the way it's, because the way you show it on your end is the way it's going to be displayed on the student end. Okay, so please be creative on this. Now I'm going to leave it on Thai. Number of section, this is the number of topics. Okay, you can choose topic up to 52. Do you see it now? So you have no reason to say, oh, you can't create up to even 52 topics. Will you even be able to do that? It's too much, but I know you want to use up to whichever number. Just be creative. Okay, so you don't need to set all this, leave all this on, but progress on each tile. Yes, you want to show progress. Let students. So there's some things I won't really have enough time to show you here. Okay, but just to tell you that each of these things are section. We have the general section. I'm done with the general section. I can close that. The description section, I've done that. Okay, well, let me see if I'm done with the description. Yes, close it. Course format, I'm changing my sections. I need 8 topics. I can always come back to have more if I need. Okay, you pick an icon if you want to change your icon. Okay, you can do that. Then show progress bar, yes, things like that. So take time. I'm done with that. I close that. Appearance, yes. Number of announcement 5. Show gradebook, yes, that's okay. File and upload, do you want to give them a limit of 10 megabytes? You don't want them to be able to upload more than 10 megabytes. So you take control of your course. Completion tracking is always on yes, please leave it. So later we'll be looking at groups and tags. Okay, I just want to make the video short, that's why I'm rushing. So when you are creating a new course, these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 options you have to set. If you skip any one and some things are missing, meaning you have to come back here and check any of these. Okay, so once you're done, I can use save and return to course or save and display. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and which one should I use? Save and display would show it the way it's going to be shown to your student. Okay, save and return, you're going to continue editing your course. So let me click on save and display, for instance. So clicking on save and display, it has taken you to the next phase. It's telling you that the next thing you need to do is to proceed to start adding your course content. Okay, or better still, you don't have participants yet. Look at participants, nothing to display. Are you with me now? So all you need to do, if you have your student ready, you start enrolling them using this button. By clicking on this button, it brings you to this place. Select user, you click here and type. So it's assume you know at least their first name. You can search. So I'm looking for Aisha in my course. I know Aisha. I click AIS. Its system will check and load and tell me all the names that start with A. So if Aisha is in this course, I click on Aisha. Okay, Aisha has been added. Who else did I need again? Ochonogo, Ugochukwu Ochonogo is also there. Okay, so keep adding more. Once you are done, let me check. Nothing. Okay, click on enroll users. Okay, now if you see now there's nothing, like no more nothing to display. I'm having 2 enrolled users. Okay, I can come back and add more. So now I can now proceed to course, and this is where you start adding your content. I'm going to do another video on this so I don't make the video long, and I'll see you some other time. Bye.